atrocities committed daily at the Phoenix VA and contains information only insiders would know and the know-how to cover it up.
There's so much corruption all the way up to the top. The bottom needs to be cut out.
This letter written by staff at the management level who prepared for losing their jobs asked to remain anonymous. The VA is saying tonight they are working on a response to this letter.
In more trouble for Phoenix VA leaders, the former director Sharon Hellman pleaded guilty today to making a false financial disclosure to the government. Investigators say that Hellman failed to report tens of thousands of dollars in gifts from a lobbyist back in 2013. And as part of her plea deal, she will get probation. However, she will not serve any jail time. Hellman was fired 2 years ago after veterans blew the whistle on long wait times and support.
Molly, you're making so much noises. Yet you're snoring. And go back to sleep now? Snore some more? Night-night.